wasite mas tomorrow when such irene naenda soro gorogusi. What I can say is these are political times. Kwarada se chingongo omore when satarire engencha kwana. And remember there was speculations ingomore when sinaro gotangana gocha united opposition bamanya gocha, but it went muna banta banke bataka gede singenjo abanta banke bakerde ngomore when ngotangana. But now united opposition mbaba gusi ngorora muna bagendera ko machumore when now omore when na ngocha koleta magendro. The big and biggest question to genda to wedding aki, what new will Moraibense bring or agocha nanda aira nago to tabi kiri kiri to tabi reason ngo ngani wer ko bosongo erinda creative baga ato tabi ngi bitin ko rozo gubere gatia be gatikia Gusi Stadium ato tabi ngi apotin ko gachwere sune kamate ga. These are the same things Moraibense abaire ka ukona go sina ande last time you remember na jete akaleta nyota. For me Omoraibense nigare ase sawari yoko eligeria okoe woko aso bachore bonene bwa 2027. But really jetindo chigente kigani abo chokoleta tene chipara bwante ko abajumbe bakora mangana ebintu mbira abajumbe bwante bahando lonsa bakore wose bikera nigwe ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ibe ko Omoraibense agocha naenda gende na bado bintu bimbikira niwe.
All right.